Hi, my name is Francy Medina, and today I'm going to talk about the general context of artificial intelligence in higher education. Artificial intelligence, or IA, began as a field of research in the 1915 with the goal of creating machines capable of imitating human thinking. Since then, it has grown rapidly thanks to machine learning, neural networks, and the analysis of large amounts of data. Today, IA is part of our everyday lives. We see it in virtual assistants, recommendation system, and also in education. In higher education, IA has become a transformative tool. It helps improve teaching support, research, automates administrative tasks, and creates more personalized and efficient learning experience for students. However, IA also brings important ethical and social challenges. The university must balance the use of these technologies with the protection of human values, critical thinking, and academic responsibility. For this reason, studying artificial intelligence is not only about understanding its benefits, but also about reflecting on how it is changing education and society, and how we can use it responsibly in the future.
Hello, my name is Elizabeth Silva, and I will talk about the main benefits of artificial intelligence in universities. AI helps to improve the quality and efficiency of learning by personalization and automation of tasks, as makes it possible to analyze data and credit predictive model for research. Our institution student train staff and students to use these technologies responsibly. In summary, AI can transform higher education into a more innovative and accessible environment if it is applied ethically.
My name is José Antonio Muñoz Rodriguez, and I will address the topics of ethics and responsibility in the use of artificial intelligence according to the study by Ramirez of Litardo. The accelerated incorporation of all in universities has generated a series of ethical and pedagogical tension. Many Many teachers and students use it without clear institutional policy to regulate its use, which leads to confusion and, in some cases, poor academic practice. Among the main, risks identified are academic plagiarism, algorithms bans, and the loss of critical thinking. For example, some students use tools such as ChatGPT or Copy AI to produce assignments without acknowledging their source, which raise serious ethical dilemmas related authorship and originality. UNESCO, in its recommendation on ethics of year 2021, established essential principles that should guide in its implementation: respect for human rights, inclusion, equity, and transparency. Universities, therefore, have the responsibility to establish solid ethical and regulation frameworks, create digital ethics committees, and promote ethical and technology training for the entire academic community. In conclusion, AI should be a support tool, not a substitute for teacher, and use us must be guided by ethical values, social justice, and institutional responsibility. Thanks.
Conclusion and proposal. My name is Yurany Gutierrez, and I will conclude this analysis by highlighting the main reflection and proposition regarding the use of artificial intelligence in higher education. Both students agree that AI offers enormous transformating potential to improve teaching at university, management, and research, where its integration must be carried out responsibly and delicately. Among the main recommendations are 1. Developing clear institutional possible that defines leads and best practices for in the use of AI. 1. Including ethical and digital training in academic curricula for students, teacher, and administrator. 3. Included in the car and digital training in academic curricula for student, teacher, and administrator. Training, critical reflection, and ethical thinking about the role of technology in education it is how the role of teacher and administrator heights and value. Educator might be writing IA cannot repeat humans' description, help, or creativity has the whole clothes current challenge is not to stop artificial intelligence but to learn to use in ethically, responsibly, and you educational person in order to build a more innovative, inclusive, and innovation at university. Thank you.